Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Colosseum and Roman Forum as well as the audio guide. So if you want to skip all the annoying wait times and long queues, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you can see right here in the down in the description of the video. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here. It doesn't matter if you're on your PC or mobile phone, it's going to go exactly the same. So the process is you're going to click the check button right here to check for available days that you can purchase the tickets for. So let's say you're going to find a date right here. I'm going to go ahead and purchase the tickets for the 8th. You can select which experience you want to use right here. Select your experience and then it's going to show you the time slots that are available that you can choose from. So once you've selected that, it's going to show you all the available tickets. So let's say you're an adult, you want to purchase one adult ticket. It's going to enable you to, once you have selected your tickets, go to the next page. Once you click on next, it's going to open up this new page from where we can take a look at similar experiences and trips that you can save money on. If you are not interested and you do not want tickets for them, you can just click no thanks and it's going to take you to the next page. From here you can get started filling out your personal info such as your first name, last name, phone number and so on. And once you've done so, click the next option to go to the payment page. Here you can provide your full name and email address. So once you've done so, you can click the next option to go to the payment page, which is going to enable you to select your payment of choice. You have Apple Pay, debit, credit card, or PayPal. Select whichever one you prefer, and once you've done so, you are going to go and be able to provide your payment method info. Once you've filled it out, you can click the pay button and purchase the ticket successfully, and they are going to arrive to your email address you have used for signing up. So if you're interested in the tickets and you want to skip the hassle, find the link down in the description and get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.